Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Messenger application on your smartphone. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end to find out how. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. If you're on iOS, then go ahead and open up the iOS App Store, and if you're on Android, then open up the Google Play Store. Now tap on the search box and search for Messenger. Once you find the Messenger application, go ahead and tap on Install. This will begin the download and installation of the Messenger application on your smartphone. Once the application is downloaded, go ahead and tap on the Open button. Now this will open up the Messenger application. You can now use your Facebook account to log into Messenger and then use the Messenger application on your smartphone. So there you have it. That's how simple it is to download the Messenger application and use it on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.